Good morning, everyone. I am a butterfly. I have colorful wings and spots in it. I have 3 pair of legs and 2 antennae. I fly around the beautiful flowers and suck their nectar. I transform from a caterpillar. You can find me all around the garden. My life is beautiful just like me. Thank you.
ગુજરાતના આપનામ સ્વાગત છે. ગુજરાત કેપિટલ ઇઝ ગાંધીનગર. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue with the height of 182 meters, 597 feet. Located here, KVD, the state of Gujarat, India. It impacts Indian
Yes, one by one. I will just cut short. I don't have time to listen to you in full. Okay, just one part I will listen and leave.
Hi, Baba. I am telling about Vallabhbhai Patel, sir. Yes, sir. Can I explain something about him? Patel is highly respected for his leadership in unity. 562 princes state of India to form the single union of India. The statue is located in Gujarat on the Narmada river.
Super,
in the
super. You say
Kevadia
something.
गरबा 9 दिनों का त्योहार होता है. यह हिंदुओं का त्योहार है. गरबा एक प्रमुख त्योहार है. गरबा साल में एक बार मनाया जाता है. ताली गरबा and train ताली गरबा are the 2 types of dance performed, meaning 2 claps garba and 3 claps garba. Respectively, it is a manner to perform garba barefoot and dance.
I'll give you 4 claps.
Sarah, let me explain about Gira waterfall. Breathtakingly beautiful romance of the seasonal falls among the most picturesque sights in a district. Located about 3 kilometers from Bagaita.
Yes.
Capturing the beauty of Gira Falls in its look from never gets better. It takes a great weekend trip from Saputra. It makes a great stop
Nice,
for
nice,
the
nice.
travel. भारत के गुजरात के वडोदरा में लक्ष्मी विलास पैलेस का निर्माण गायकवाड़ परिवार के द्वारा किया गया था, जो एक मुख्य मराठा परिवार था.
Super.
And do you know about Somnath temple?
Yes, we have 9 about Somnath temple, but what you know, you can tell us.
One of the scientific temples in India is Somnath temple, situated in the western coast of Gujarat. It is the most popular tourist spot of the world. It is located in the Junagadh district of Gujarat.
Yes. Sorry. Say once again.
Start again.
That is the problem.
One of the scientific temples in India is Somnath temple, situated on the western coast of Gujarat. It is the most popular tourist spot of the
Yes,
world.
you proceed.
This temple is also well known for its historical importance, as it is an important tourist spot.
Yes,
The
yes,
pilgrims visit.
According to the history, the Somnath temple was originally constructed by the moon god. The word Somnath stands for the protector of the moon god,
Yes.
and the legend says that Porbandar, the historical post city of India, is famous for many reasons, but the most important reason is that Mahatma Gandhi was born here. The people in Porbandar are warm and nice.
Yes.
His national park is 140 kilometers, where Indian looks like the times of beautiful
Yes, next one.
As the protection are closed from June to October, the best time to visit Gir is
Yes.
Gir Forest National Park is full of sunshine and it is famous for Gujarat and Andalusia leopard.
Yes. Next one.
Come and visit this beautiful lake built in 1451 of Sahasi Kutub and recently converted as a recreation space for the city. This large lake, Sankara Lake, is the second largest lake in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. It is located in the southeastern part of the city in the Maninagar area.
Shivrajpur beach near Shivrajpur village is located in the Devbhoomi Dwaraka district of
Yes.
Gujarat. Gujarat is the largest producer of major cash crops like cotton, groundnut, tobacco, cumin, sesame, etc. in India.
Bhupendra Bhai Patel was born on 15 July 1962 to Gujarat in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. He is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). He started his political career in
What is he?
his chief minister.
That you need.
Flight number Boeing 737 is going to land in 5 minutes at Surat International Airport. Let me tell you something about
Yes.
Ahmedabad is the most populated district with Delhi. There are 252 talukas.
Super.
Kachina district in Gujarat. It is the largest district in India, covering an area of 45,474 kilometers.
तुम क्या तुम्हें गांधीनगर के बारे में पता है?
हाँ, ये लोग गुर्दे घाटी है वे बात है. घाटी गुजरात का कैपिटल बाधा घाटी है पैदा हुए थे.
मुझे नहीं बताने दो. Gandhinagar is a planned city in the western Indian state of Gujarat. The Amshadam is a massive Hindu temple with ornate carvings and sculpted pillars. Dandikut Museum traces the life of the leader of Mahatma Gandhi.
Good. Well said.
ये है गांधी जी. इनके जीवन में किया गया कार्य सत्ता और मदद का था.
ये सच्चे हिंदू थे और इनका जीवन ही भारत से जुड़ा था. धन्यवाद.
Super. Well said. Well delivered. Nice.
The Statue of Unity is the realization of this wealth experiencing. Inside the Sardar Patel statue complex, the government has built a star.
Do you have anything to say?
Embracing different religious faiths, Gujarati demonstrate a vibrant mix of Hinduism, Islam, Jainism and Buddhism. This amalgamation
Rani Ki Vav is an intricately constructed stepwell situated in the town of Patan in Gujarat, India.
Raised Samdaras Modi was the current and 15th Prime Minister of India. He has been serving our country since 26 May 2014. Before taking over Delhi, he held the position of Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat from the year 2001 to 2014.
Nice.
This is Gujarat's famous butterfly garden. A garden attract butterflies will also bring bees and birds.
Sabarmati Ashram, Gandhi Ashram is located in the Sabarmati Sarab of Uttarakhand. Gandhiji's first ashram in India was established on the Kachchar area of the
Charge is the one of the most famous Gujarati to the extent that is cultural.
Such entering.
Tuesdays I lost.
Mahansa was a traditionally sweet originating from Gujarat, whereas often made for Diwali or festivals. Dokla Kharaka and Nunki were the doctrines that cross our mind when it comes to the famous foods of Gujarat. While these are definitely made of Gujarat, famous customers.
Many different dishes are sweet, salt and spicy combination.
के राष्ट्रीय फूल को लेके जाएंगे. Marigolds are very easy to grow and grow fast, which may generate for children's or college. Newbies marigold need fruits and all to provide fruits all season long. Three common types. Marigold petals can also be used to brew teas and herbal teas after the kitchen.
Super. Good. Was anybody in the middle?